Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Intelic launches European procurement platform to accelerate drone capability deployment and enhance defense integration. Intelic has launched Intelic Base, a new procurement hub aimed at strengthening European defense sovereignty. The platform is designed to help ministries of defense identify and deploy unmanned systems more quickly. The initiative provides direct access to battlefield-tested drone technologies from across Europe. It is intended to significantly shorten procurement timelines for mission-ready systems. At launch, the platform connects manufacturers from 10 European countries, including France, Germany, the United Kingdom, and Ukraine. It offers governments visibility into interoperable capabilities available across the European defense industrial base. The platform has been developed with input from several European ministries of defense. It is designed to address fragmentation in procurement processes across the region. Participating partners include companies such as Ace Core Technologies, Airvolut, RVE, Beyond Vision, DeltaQuad, Height Technologies, HiCat, and TAF Industries. These firms represent a broad range of expertise, including intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, strike and counter-UAV systems. The consortium also includes unnamed Ukrainian partners with significant production capacity. These partners collectively produce more than 100,000 unmanned aerial systems per month and generate over $1.5 billion in sales. The platform is described as the first of its kind in Europe. It is inspired by procurement models developed in Ukraine that allow faster comparison and deployment of drone systems. Europe already has the industrial capacity and battlefield-proven drone technologies it needs, said Moritz Korthals-Oltz. What has been missing is a shared operational layer that makes those capabilities visible, interoperable and deployable across borders. Strengthening that connection is essential for a stronger Europe, he added. The platform aims to improve coordination and interoperability across European defense systems. A central feature of Intelic Base is integration with Nexus, a shared command and control software layer. This enables unmanned systems from different manufacturers to operate together within a single mission environment. Nexus has been deployed in operational conditions in Ukraine since 2025. It allows coalition drone systems to function cohesively across different platforms and mission types. By ensuring interoperability before procurement decisions, the platform reduces integration risks. It also supports faster deployment timelines for ministries of defense. The initiative reflects a broader shift toward coalition-based deployment and industrial cooperation. It aims to strengthen coordination within Europe's defense sector. Intelic said the platform removes the need for intermediaries in procurement processes. This approach is intended to improve direct engagement between governments and manufacturers. The company said the platform supports a more resilient and responsive European defense ecosystem. It is designed to enhance the ability of governments to respond to evolving security challenges. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @ Electronics Technology 50.